Hello everyone, my name is Barrister Pace. Today there is a question to answer. Somebody asked, what is the position of the law on breach of promise to marry? What would the person do if someone maybe cancels engagement? Would the person just cry, and after crying you wipe your tears and you go home without any compensation whatsoever? And it's important that we'll answer it because it's everybody's concern. You might be affected directly or indirectly. Even if it's not you, it can be a relation or something. Let's first of all say that a promise to marry is not the same thing as a mere romantic relationship. So what is a promise to marry? It is a serious agreement between two parties to enter into marriage, either under Matrimonial Causes Act or under customary law or under Islamic law. So it's not the same thing as a casual or informal relationship that does not have any legal obligation owed to you. Now, for instance, if you are in a relationship with a man and the relationship has not been defined, then there is no promise. There is not even exchange of any promise whatsoever. He did not promise that he will marry you. He did not even go as far as engagement. There is nothing. Sometimes both family might know themselves, but there is nothing said yet. So it is important that at every point in time in your relationship, you know where you people are going. Let it be defined. Let it not just be, let's be going. So when we get there, we'll know. Please define your relationship. It will help you. Now, what is the law saying about it? Because the law is only interested in a breach of promise to marry. The law is not interested in mere romantic relationship. Let's give you example, a scenario of a promise to marry. Now, let me read this story so that you will know the difference between a promise to marry and a casual and informal romantic relationship. Now, Emily and Jack had been dating for 3 years. They were deeply in love, and their friends and family knew that they were meant to be together. Jack proposed to Emily on a romantic getaway, and she happily accepted. They planned a beautiful wedding, and Emily couldn't wait to start their new life together. However, as the wedding date approached, Jack began to feel uncertain. He started to doubt whether he was truly ready for marriage and whether Emily was the right person for him. Despite his reservations, he didn't have the courage to break the news to Emily. One day, just a month before the wedding, Jack called off the engagement. Emily was devastated. She had given her heart and soul to Jack, and she felt betrayed by his sudden change of heart. So the question now is, what will Emily do in this scenario? What can she do? And did she have any legal backing? The law have said, yes, Emily can sue Jack in this scenario for breach of promise to marry. Breach of promise to marry is a civil wrong, so she can sue and claim damages, at least compensation for injury and loss, for her time wasted, for money, the finance she spent during the relationship, the gifts, even anything that she has suffered, any loss that she has suffered as a result of that engagement, she can sue and get damages. It is not just the women that can sue, the men can also sue. So if it's the other way around, if it's a lady that cancels the engagement, of course the man can sue and also get damages for all those things: emotional distress, time spent, loss of opportunity, money spent on ring and in the relationship. If that thing happens, just know that you don't have to go home empty handed. You have something to show by suing the other party. If you're watching me from Facebook and you've not followed my Facebook page, please follow my page for more updates, and we promise you will learn more. And if you're watching me from YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.